Hello everyone, it's Maria here with you today, and I am back to share two simple projects featuring the Stamp and Die of the Month by Not2Shabby. So if you haven't seen my last video, this is the stamp set that I'm using today, and it comes with the coordinating dies, and they are so cute. I already have my cardstock lined up here inside my Misty stamping tool, and I'm also using the creative corners or something like that. I cannot remember what they're called, but it's because I will be stamping the images in random order to create this sort of like a pattern paper style. And I really love to do this sometimes when the images are just so cute and I want to feature them all. So we are going to color the images using a combination of Copic markers and Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. And so I first started with the soda, and this is R39, and I started with the dark first, and then I will be adding some colors of R29 and then R27 just to blend all the colors together. And I really love doing the coloring the stamps, sometimes starting with the dark, especially when it comes to red, because it's just easier for me to color them. Next, I will be coloring the hot dog, so the bun first with some E30 and E33 markers. And then the hot dog will be colored with Spectrum Noir dark red blend. So I'm just adding the colors here and a few dots just to give it a little bit more texture. And then the hot dog will be darker than the soda because of course it's cooked, so it's a bit darker. And I will also add a gray marker here just to make the edges look darker and a lot different compared to the color of the soda. So this is Y26, I think, to color the mustard. And then this is what it looks like once it's all done. I added the Be Mine stamp to make it look more Valentine-ish, and added the hearts and colored the hearts as well with the Spectrum Noir magenta blend. So I wanted to add a little bit more and to fill in the spaces in between. So I'm using my R20 Copic markers and I'm just adding some dots here. They are just random dots. Sometimes I press the marker harder, and then sometimes it's just really light, just to add some random dots to fill in the space so that they look so much better. And as you can see, it does look better once you do this, and it doesn't look so empty. So I've done that, and then I originally wanted to add the sentiment, and this is the sentiment that I stamped and heat set and then die cut using the coordinating dies. But then I decided that the background is already super busy and there's already a sentiment there, the Be Mine sentiment, so I decided to cut the stamp image, and I'm just going to add this striped black and white paper by MFT Stamps, and then I'm going to adhere this. I decided to leave this card alone just like it is because it's so cute, and I didn't think that I needed to add more to this card. So in order to separate the two busy patterns, I decided to add the black strip there, and just sort of grounded the image, and I really love how this one turned out. So this is what it looks like. I love this first card, and this is sort of like a Valentine's Day card. But then I have a few more images here, and I know that I haven't used the salt and pepper shaker yet, so I decided to create a Valentine's tag. So I'm just going to ink blend this tag using some worn lipstick, and I think the other one was carved pumpkin or something like that. And I'm just adding some colors here, and then I will be using a stencil by Trinity Stamps. These are the small hearts, just to add a little bit more texture to the tag, just those hearts. So I will add some pink hearts and some orange hearts to just amp this tag a little bit. So I'm going to spray the water there and picked up the excess with some paper towel, and then we will be adding the images and adhering them with the liquid glue. So I added the sentiment first that I stamped earlier, and then we're just going to add the images, and this will be a cute Valentine's tags that I can use for some Valentine's treats. And I've added some of the cinnamon hearts from Trinity Stamps just to finish the look, and then added the red bow and some blue twine to finish off the tag. So these are the two projects. As you can see, they are very simple. I decided to create simple projects because the images are just so cute and it doesn't really need a lot of extra. And as you can see, I really love the card and as well as the tag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy stamping!